How to file multiple tax returns on TurboTax Online. First thing first, it's important to know that TurboTax Online only allows one tax return per account and email address. So if you need to file for another person, like a spouse, family members, or friend, you will need to create a separate TurboTax account for them. So the very first thing you want to do is to sign out of your current return. If you're already logged in, click on your profile or menu icon and choose Sign Out. This makes sure you don't accidentally overwrite your own return. Once you have been logged out, you need to log into your different account. You need to use different email address or the second person's return. Once you are logged in, you will need to choose Start for Free or select the version that fits their tax situation. Then begin entering their personal information, name, social security number, filing status, and income details. Once done, you need to go through the interview questions just like you did before. TurboTax will guide you through income deductions and credits. When finished, review everything carefully and submit the return. For important tips, if you're filing for someone else, make sure all important belongs to that person, not you. Mixing details can cause IRS delays. And that's it. Just remember, one account per return. Sign out, create a new account, and repeat the process, and then you'll be good to go. Well, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.